How to use the REPT function in Excel. REPT function is great for creating rankings, progress bars, and formatting text in a more visual way. It's simple, but super effective. Part 1. Introduction to REPT. So, what does REPT do? It repeats a character or text a certain number of times. You give it something to repeat and tell it how many times to repeat it. Let's see a quick example in Excel. I'll type this formula in A1. Press Enter. 5A appear in the cell. Excel repeated the A 5 times in a row. You can replace A with any symbol or text, letters, numbers, or even emojis. Now, let's move on to a real-world example. Part 2. Using REPT for progress bars. One of the best uses of REPT is creating progress bars. Imagine you're tracking sales, and you want a quick visual to see how close each person is to their target. Let's say our sales team is aiming for $10,000 in sales. Here's our data. In C2, I'll enter this formula to create a progress bar. Press Enter and fills down. Let me explain about this formula. B2 divided by 10,000 is for us to look for the percentage of the sales made to the target set. Now, you might be wondering, why do we multiply by 50? It keeps the progress bar a readable length. Without multiplying, the number of vertical line symbols would be too small to see. Using 50 makes sure the bar is long enough to compare at a glance. If you want shorter bars, change 50 to 30. If you want longer bars, change it to 100. As you can see, Alice has a longer bar than Bob, since she made more sales. The length of the bar represents their progress. Now that we have a progress bar, let's make it look even better. The vertical line works fine, but if you want something more solid and professional, let's replace it with full block. To do this, select the vertical line in the formula, then choose Stencil from Theme Font. This looks much better. The solid blocks make the progress bar clearer and more professional. Part 3. Enhancing REPT with Conditional Formatting. Let's apply conditional formatting to our progress bars to make them more visually appealing. Step 1. Select the column with progress bars. Step 2. Go to the Home tab and click Conditional Formatting. Step 3. Choose New Rule and select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Step 4. Enter a formula like equal to B2 is greater than 5,000 to highlight top performers in green. Step 5. Click Format, choose a color, let's say green color, and press OK. Now, high sales appear in green. That helps you to identify the high and low performers. With REPT and conditional formatting together, you can create dynamic, professional-looking progress bars that give instant insights into performance. Part 4. Ranking with REPT. Another great way to use REPT is for ranking scores. Let's say we have student scores and we want to display them as star ratings instead of numbers. First of all, you will need to learn how to get a star symbol. Click a cell, say A6, go to the Insert tab, then click Symbol, then select Wingdings from Font, then click the star symbol. Click Insert, then the Close button. Now you have a star inserted in A6. Do note that the font for the star is Wingdings. Click and highlight the star. Right-click to copy. Now click C2. This time, you will see the font is Times New Roman. Let's enter the formula. Right-click to paste the star into the formula. Do note that another symbol is showing up. Ignore that for the moment. This formula divides the score by 20, so a 100% score gets 5 stars, while a 60% score gets 3 stars. Press Enter. The symbol is incorrect. Now click C2 again, then change the font to Wingdings. Apply the formula to the other cells. It's a simple way to make rankings clear and visually appealing. And that's how you use the REPT function in Excel. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below on how you're using REPT. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.